Ito muna. Wait lang, Renzo.
Kayo kasi mag-video.
Saan ka?
Part 1 lang to ha, mamaya may part 2 ha. Ha? Meron pang mga lolang dadating.
Maraming lola.
Part 1 lang yan, part 1.
Ay, anak, dali.
Good morning. We are going to offer this presentation to the world.
Yan yung eldest namin. Si Camille. Grade 7.
Siya yung yung pangalan.
3 girls and 1 boy. Tapos yung naka-eyeglasses. Tapos yung naka-yellow. Tapos
Opo. So siya lang ang bukod ang...
pero hanggang sa kanya na lang.
So bunso.
Make 'em away now, This is happening homebound. There are happy hands making a way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. The evening time would pass me by. You know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could live
Ayaw niya sumama.
Ha? May sumpong mo.
Convince ko eh. Maganda sa akin.
Ang next performance na lang. Ano ba? Kasi akala niya ayaw niya payagan.
Sabi ko, pag di ka nag-perform